What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So my exhaust came in from Motivation USA, so we're going to be unboxing and installing it. Got a few goodies that are already installed. Check out some of my other videos. Here it is, guys. SC Project. You guys should not be surprised by now. This is probably my third SC Project exhaust. Definitely my favorite company as far as exhaust systems. It's made in Italy. This one is full titanium. We're going to unbox this and install it tonight. But first we got to get this hideous exhaust system off here. So to get the exhaust off, it's just one bolt and then one nut. So the bolt is a Torx T45 and the nut is a 13 millimeter. You don't have to remove it fully, you can just loosen it. I probably have like 3 of those laying around from previous bikes. Alright, let's unbox this, but first we gotta get some gloves on so we don't get any oils on the exhaust. They're stuck together. Need a new glove. We got the new clamp. Here it is. So the nice thing about these is that they're made in Italy and they're great quality. The welds are amazing. But you don't want to put a cheap exhaust system on these bikes. You got a premium bike. You don't want to put any junk on there. Try not to drop it. There it is, guys. I like this mesh. So this design is slightly different than my last exhaust. It's like a honeycomb mesh. This is an added option you could get on these. So they make these in carbon fiber as well. This one's full titanium. So once it goes through a few heat cycles, it should start turning a little bit blue. Let's try to focus. This thing is sweet. For racing use only, we'll ignore that part. Alright. It also comes with some replacement stickers you could throw on there if you don't like the laser engraving. wipe down the swing arm a little bit. You're going to remove this washer. Put the little clamp down here. I'm going to give it a quick wipe down with some diluted rubbing alcohol to get any oils off. I'm going to reuse this washer and bolt. There it is, guys. That's what the stickers look like. We got the two different sizes. I'll probably just rock it like that for a little bit. Maybe to switch it up with the sticker on later. Alright guys, it's the next day. It rained a little bit, so the roads are clear of salt. So I'm going to take the bike for a spin so you guys could hear it. Because what's an exhaust video without any sound? Just took it on the first ride. It sounds freaking amazing. The popping and backfiring sounds unreal. Start it up a little bit. It's kind of warmed up right now. One thing I want to mention is that video does not do this exhaust justice. It sounds much louder in person, and the popping and crackling sounds amazing. So videos definitely do not do it any justice at all. If you want to buy the same one, hit up motivationusa.com. They have this one as well as many others for all kinds of different bikes. They're an authorized dealer in the US, and they also have all kinds of different accessories. If you want to see more of the Gen 3 S1000 build, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. I got a bunch of other mods on the way and a bunch of stuff waiting to be installed that I haven't gotten around to yet. Let me know if you guys want to see any car content. We got a BMW Z3M Coupe, got an E36 M3 back there, got a few other ones outside. Big BMW guys, you could see. Got a Harley back there, Night Rod Special.